Listen, our lesson for today is 12.8 solid figures. Okay, it's page number 396. First of all, you must have to know about what is solid figures. Solid figures are three-dimensional. What does it mean, three-dimensional? Who will tell me? Do you know? Any student? Three-dimensional means 3D. I will tell you, like.
Yeah, this is a shortcut.
Yes, this is the 3D is a shortcut of three-dimensional. Okay. They are also called space figures. Some of their parts are not in the same plane. First of all, you must have to know polyhedrons. What are polyhedrons? And then we will study about non-polyhedrons. Okay. Polyhedrons are solid figure whose faces are polygons. Polygon means, I will show you. Just a minute.
See?
Yesterday, if you remember, can you see this one? This page?
Yes.
Different shapes. Okay, look at there. I'll scroll it down here. First shape, just count how many sides are there. I will count it with you. I will count with you. Look at there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. When any shape have got 10 sides, we call it, it's a decagon. Okay. With 10 sides. Understand? Okay.
Okay.
Now look at there at figure number 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 sides. So we call it its heptagon. Okay. Now 8 sides.
Teacher,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. It's octagon.
Teacher.
Yes, teacher. What happened?
9 sides. What we call it?
Nonagon.
Decagon?
Non. Yes, nonagon.
Nonagon.
Okay. Now again here heptagon, octagon, and decagon.
7.
Just a minute, Muhammad. Let me scroll it down. Look at there. With 5 sides, we call it pentagon. Let me remove this. Okay. With 5 sides, we call it pentagon. And here with 6 sides, we call it hexagon. Okay. Let me write here. Let me show you, share with you a white screen. Then I will explain you more. Look at this.
Someone's draw.
No one is drawing now. No one can draw. Look at there.
In my screen.
This one is a rectangle. Okay. It's a square. Now with 5 sides, we call it pentagon. Let me write here. 5 sides, we call it pentagon. Okay. With 6 sides, we call it hexagon. With 7 sides, any shape having 7 sides, we call it heptagon. Okay. With 8 sides, octagon. Very good.
Octagon. With 9 sides.
With 9 sides, yes,
nonagon. With 10 sides.
And with 10 sides,
decagon.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything
now let's
ends with agon.
Okay. Yes. Now let's move to our lesson, and we will study more about it. What can you see now? Is it book or something else?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see them.
Okay. Now look at there. First of all, you must have to know what is prism. Who will read it? A prism. Omar, could you please read it?
Where a prism is a polyhedron with two
Hydron.
parallel hadron with
Yes.
two parallel and congruent bases.
Very good.
The shape of the base names the prism.
Very
The
good.
other faces are rectangles.
Very good. Now look at there. I will explain you more. A prism is a polyhedron with two parallel and congruent bases. If you just have a look at these cube, okay, if this cube, in the base, it's written their base down and also it's written their base up. Two green sides, are they same or the different one?
Same.
Opposite sides, they are same. Okay. For the prism, a prism is polyhedron with two parallel and congruent bases. Mean the two opposite sides will be same always. Okay. So it has got there are different parts. We will listen to me. I will tell you about it. First of all, a face. What is a face? A face is a side. Okay. In cube, how many faces are there? Or how many sides are there in a cube? Who will tell me? 6 sides. Very good. In a cube, there are 6 sides. One up, one down, one to the right, one to the left, one to the front, and one to the back. Okay.
Okay.
There are total 6 sides, and we call it a face. So we can say that there are total 6 faces. A face is a flat surface of a solid figure bounded by a line segment. Okay. Now next, an edge. What is an edge? An edge, I will tell you. Look at there. Just a minute. I will draw a line. Can you see this line?
Yes.
Okay.
The
Here,
red line.
yes, the red line. Here are two faces are joined together. Okay.
Yes.
This is, we call it edge. Like this line,
Okay.
this line here, two faces are joined together. We call it its edge. And this line also, two faces are joined together. We call it it's an edge.
Teacher,
Yes.
why are you listening for your voice all the time?
What?
I hear your voice all the time.
The problem is in your speaker, I think.
No, that's my
No, it's a problem with you only. Just a minute. It's okay now?
yes.
Okay. Now look at there. First of all, you must have to know a face. Okay.
This.
A face is a side. Okay.
Easy.
Then edge. Edge is a place where two faces are joined together. Okay. Then a vertex. A vertex is a corner, any corner in the figure. Look at there, this corner, we call it vertex, and this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, any corner in the figure, we call it, it's a vertex.
Edge 12 vertex.
Sorry, what did you say, Muhammad?
Edge vertex X.
Yes, face, edge, and vertex. Now look at there, a cube, they call it square prism. Why did they call this square prism? Be careful. Tell me, base. What is this shape, base?
This is
The green color. What can you see?
the green.
Yeah.
I can see face.
Yeah,
Face.
it's a face, but it's a shape.
Yeah.
What is this shape? Yes, Muhammad,
Square.
what did you say? Yeah, it's a square.
Square.
It's a square. Down is square and up is also square. So we call it, it's a square prism. Okay.
Prism.
Yes. Now look at there at the center of this.
Ah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim, teacher. Yes, teacher. Your voice repeated 2 times.
Yes.
Now,
But, the second time is very loud. Now is nice.
okay. Now,
And I say, answer me.
triangular prism. Why do we call it triangular prism? Who will tell me?
Because it has triangle face.
Yes, two triangles, two bases. The down and the top, they are triangle shape. So we call it triangular prism.
See?
Okay.
Okay.
Now, next one, rectangular prism. Why do we call it rectangular and prism? Who will tell me? Muhammad.
Huh?
Muhammad Hisham.
But
Tell me, why do we call it rectangular prism?
because it's shaped like the rectangle.
Yes, its base means the downside and the upside, they are rectangle shape. So we call it rectangular prism. Okay. Now look at there. Next one, pentagonal prism. The downside and the upside, they have got 5 sides, and any shape with 5 sides, we call it pentagon. So this figure, we will call it pentagonal prism. Okay. Pentagonal prism. Now this shape, it has got 6 sides with the bases.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Mishari. With 6 sides, we call it hexagon. So this figure, we call it hexagonal prism. Okay. First of all, here we studied about prism. Now we will study about pyramid. What is a pyramid? A pyramid is a polyhedron with one base. Okay. Look at there. A square prism. Just a minute. Why I don't know from where is this problem coming. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher, your voice is so loud.
Yes, teacher.
Is it loud?
Yes.
Now decrease your volume if it is loud.
Teacher, there's an echo also.
Yes, there is an
Omar answered me on the chat.
Okay. Now be quiet and let me explain more about a pyramid. In a prism, you will see the downside and the upside will be the same figure. Like in the cube, as you can see, this one, it's a square, and the downside, it's a square also.
Your
In a
voice is so
prism.
loud. Be away from the mic. Like your voice
Then
is-
in triangular prism, look at there. Here it's triangle up and triangle down, rectangle up and rectangle down, pentagon up, it's and pentagon down, and then hexagon up and hexagon down in a prism. But in a pyramid, just only you will see the downside only. And upside, there will be a joint corner. It's like a pyramid shape. It's a pyramid. It's a pyramid. How will we name it? With its base. Okay. Look at there. In the first one, the first pyramid, what is this shape down in the base? The green color. It's a square. So yes, it's a square pyramid. Okay. Here in this one, the second one, the base with the green color, it's a rectangle. So we call it rectangular pyramid. Okay.
Teacher,
Then,
you mean if if any shape we call it hexagonal or rectangular? I didn't understand the triangle. This rectangular.
look at there. The base, the green color. What is this shape?
It's a rectangle.
Rectangle. So we call it rectangular pyramid.
A square, not rectangle.
No, it's a rectangle. The first one is a square.
Ah, okay.
Now in this shape, tell me what is the base shape, the green color?
Triangle.
Triangle. So we call it triangular pyramid. Okay.
Okay.
In this shape,
Venturing.
a pentagon with 5 sides, 3, 4, and 5. So we call it pentagonal pyramid. Okay. In the next shape, the base with the green color, as you can see, it has got 6 sides. So with 6 sides, we call it hexagon. So this shape, we call it hexagonal pyramid. Okay. Now, some shapes are non-polyhedron, like slender, cone, and a sphere. At next page, as you can see, there are some shapes. Okay, look at them and tell me their names. The first shape, question number 1, the first shape. First of all, you must have to know it's a pyramid or a prism. Who will tell me?
What?
The first shape.
Teacher, we can see the book screen.
Okay.
Why?
Now we
Oh, we can see.
Okay.
No.
The first shape, is it a pyramid or a prism?
Teacher,
Yes.
the Zoom meeting on. Not your screen.
Just a minute.
teacher, we see a file.
Wait. Now,
Yes.
okay. The first one, as you can see, upside and the downside, they are like same rectangle. So we call it rectangular. Rectangular. Is it rectangular prism or rectangular pyramid?
Prism.
Rectangular prism. Why is it prism, Muhammad?
Because it's like a book.
For my guests. Yeah.
Why is it prism?
Because it's flat.
Yes, the flat surface up and down, both. They are same shape,
Teacher.
so we call it prism.
Teacher,
Yes,
I
teacher.
didn't understand rectangle prism.
Okay. Just a minute. Muhammad and Maaz, both. What is this shape?
Answer me.
Upside.
اوكي انت ما جبت لي اي مسج يا حبيبي.
What is this shape, Maaz? Tell me.
عملت لها داونلود.
Omar, please. Maaz.
It's rectangle.
Yes, rectangle. And what will be its downside?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So we call it rectangular. Okay. And why do we call it prism? Listen to me. Why do we call it prism? Because upside and downside both are same. So we call it prism.
Okay.
Okay. And in this shape, like look at there in shape 2, this is at the top upside. Is it same as the downside or no?
12.
Yes, square pyramid. This one is, we call it square pyramid. Right here, square pyramid. Square pyramid. Shape number 3. What is this shape name?
Cool.
Cone. Shape number 4. How many sides does it has?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So with 6 sides, what do we name them?
Hexagonal.
Hexagon. So we will call it hexagonal. Hexagonal. Hexagonal what? Prism or a pyramid? Prism. Very good. It's hexagonal prism. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, next one, question number 5. Write the number of faces, vertices, and edges for each solid figure. First of all, triangle. In triangle, it's triangular prism. Okay, I will scroll it down up in the previous page. Triangular prism. Do we have triangular prism? No, here we don't have. Just a minute. Who is sending messages?
Umar.
Mr. Umar is sending.
I said to him 20 minutes because he said to me متى تخلص الحصة.
وشو فاتحين سوالف.
Who is talking in Arabic?
قدامك يا لعمة.
Muhammad. Okay, look at it. I'm sharing with you.
Look.
This one, this shape. This shape we call it triangular prism.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will
Why
circle
not
it.
rectangle?
I will
Why not
circle it.
rectangular?
Tell me, how many sides does it has?
Oh,
Again count.
6.
Not 6.
How
Not
many
6.
what? How many what? Five.
Okay, I will count with you.
Teacher, no. How many what?
6.
No, first of all, faces. First of all, faces.
4.
It's 8,
5.
teacher.
3.
I will tell you. Listen to me. I will count with you. Just be quiet.
5, teacher.
8.
Look at there.
5.
This side, a triangle side. Okay. And same like this to the back.
8.
8, teacher.
One to this side and one to the other side. 2.
16.
2.
Okay.
8.
And this rectangle to one side and same rectangle to the other side. 4 and 1 is down.
I see it.
So total 5 sides.
Yes, I see it.
Okay.
I see 5. Oh, 5, teacher.
Listen to me.
شوف يا حبيب يا حبيب.
8.
Yes, 5.
Yes, 5.
I think how many corners?
خلص الحصة.
Okay, now faces. Right here 5. It has got 5 faces. Okay. Now vertices.
5.
It will be same 5. Let's count it. Vertices. I will take you back there. What is vertex? Vertex is a corner. Okay. Count how many vertices does it has? 5 or more.
6.
Let's count. Look at it.
6.
This one, this corner 1,
6.
2, this 3,
6.
4, 5, and
6,
6.
Mr.
Okay.
I said 6.
Yeah.
Now right there. Here words is 6. Now edges. Let's count edges together.
Where?
Okay. Edges is, what is it? At the place where two faces join together. Look at there.
1.
This is the first edge, the second, the third, fourth,
9.
fifth,
9.
6th,
9.
7th,
8.
this 8th, and this one
9.
9.
9.
So
9.
how many edges does it have?
11.
9.
9. Very good.
13. 14.
So right here 9.
16. 17.
Okay.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Now question number 6. Pentagonal
22,
prism. In pentagonal
23,
prism, it has
24,
7
25,
faces.
26,
Okay.
27, 28, 29,
And
20.
10 vertices. And edges, it has 15.
Okay.
Okay. Hexagonal prism.
6.
Okay, let's move back. We have, wait, Muhammad. Look at there, here, hexagonal prism. First of all, faces. How many faces does it has?
1, 2, 3,
One up
4, 5.
and one down. Okay, and 6 to the sides.
8.
8, total 8, because one the green color up and the one green color down, and 6 its sides. So it has 8 faces right here.
8 faces.
Yes, 8 faces.
Vertical.
Vertices.
Mr. What is versus
Vertices, it's a corner.
corner?
Yes, I will move it up. And now let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Look at there.
9, 10,
1, 2,
18.
4, 5, 6,
7.
7.
Yes.
And 6 or 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Sorry, 6 up and 6 down because it's hexagonal. And 7,
12.
8,
12.
9, 10, 11, and 12. Yes, 12.
12.
So
12.
move back and write there.
12.
Yes, 12. 12 words is.
What
And
is Mr. Edges?
edges is a place
Edges.
where two faces join together. I will show you in this shape. Okay. Look at there, Hassan.
Yeah.
Can you see this line?
Yeah.
At this line, two faces are joined together. Okay.
Okay.
And now at this line, two
The
faces
up
are
and
joined
down.
together. At this line, then at this line, the back two lines, okay, the faces are joined together.
Yeah.
Like this, if you will
Yeah,
count all, here all edges will be 18.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
yes, Moaz.
6 edges.
No, not 6 edges. Because
What?
listen to me, Moaz. Here you have counted this 6, then this one it's also edge. This one it's also edge because here the base and the side they are joined together.
Okay.
Then this one is also edge. This one is also edge. Same like this at upside. This one is edge. This one is edge. This one is edge. So total here it has got 18 edges.
Okay.
18.
Okay. Yes, 18.
Mr.
Scroll it
Only
down
10 minutes.
and right here 18.
18.
Now triangular pyramid. First of all, before that it was prism, now pyramid. I will scroll it up. Triangular pyramid.
Triangular pyramid. How many faces?
Yes, first faces. Someone said that 4. Yes, Muhammad.
4.
It's 4. It has got 4 faces. Now, what about vertices?
1, 2,
Vertices will be
3.
also 4.
3.
4. You
4.
see, and edges will also be same 4.
4.
No, edges will be more. Let me count. Open this. Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Hexagonal pyramid.
5,
1, 2, 3,
Six.
4.
It will have 6.
6, 6.
No, 12. 12.
6.
No, 6.
Pentagonal pyramid. It will have 6
Triangle.
faces and 6 vertices and edges. There will be 10. And hexagonal, 7 faces, 7 vertices, and there will be 12 edges.
I mean
Teacher.
this one that was down.
Vertex, teacher, is the point where 2 edges meet.
No, a corner.
Oh, it's a corner.
Corner. Okay.
Okay, now true or false?
Yeah.
Cylinders have no edges or vertices.
False.
False.
True.
False.
It's true.
How true?
It has edges.
Cylinder, okay, it's a non-polyhedron. Okay,
Yeah, but it
Okay.
has
How?
edge.
Teacher, how true?
How true?
listen,
How
listen,
true,
listen,
teacher? It has
listen.
edges. It has edge.
Listen to me. This one
It has
here,
edge.
as you can see, it's a cylinder. It's a flat surface. We call it flat surface,
There is no
curved surface.
edges,
Then
it's
downside,
round.
it's a flat surface. It's non-polyhedron.
Yeah,
Oh,
Teacher.
yeah.
It's non-polyhedron.
And it doesn't have any edge.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So right here,
Teacher, where are you?
true.
This for question 11 or 13?
This is question 11. Yes.
Why write it down?
What?
True.
True. A sphere
Sphere
has no
Has
flat surface. A sphere like a ball. Does it has flat
Yeah.
surface?
no, no.
No. Right here, true.
No, how a ball have
True.
flat surface? True.
Now cylinder and cones have flat surfaces.
No, yeah.
Yeah, look
Yeah,
at
yeah.
there. A cone, it has got flat surface. In a cylinder,
And
as you
this
can
is-
see, it has got
Yeah,
also flat surface. This one, flat surface upside and downside. In the cone, it has got also flat surface. This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Mr. Go down.
yes, just a minute. Right here. True.
True. A cone has more than one
Wrong,
base.
wrong.
A cone has
false.
more than one base.
False.
False.
Why that's false?
Cone has more than one base. False.
There's only one.
False. False.
Now look at their net of
Mr.
a
Only
solid
7
figure.
A
minutes.
cone has how many base, teacher?
Sorry.
Teacher,
A
how
cone
about
has
cone
got
has
one
how?
base. One
Teacher,
base. Look at there.
Okay.
This one.
Teacher,
Yes, teacher.
how about Abdullah is with us?
Yes, I know.
This is the quiz.
Now look at their net of a solid figure. What is net? As you can see here, a solid figure can be unfolded. Means you can open it. Like if you have a carton, okay, of a milk,
Yeah.
and you open that, okay,
Yeah.
it will have different sides as they have opened this one, this shape. Okay,
Teacher, your sound is so low.
so low. Increase your volume.
No.
No, it's good. I increase my voice. It's good.
Yes, increase your volume, Muhammad. Look at there.
Okay.
This is a net of a cube, and
Yeah.
in the cylinder, look at there. Upside, it's a circle. Downside, it's also a circle.
It's flat.
And
It's
when you
flat
cut
surface.
it and you open it, it will be like this. So it has got circles and also a
So
square
like-
or a rectangle.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, we call it a net.
It's like this.
Okay, Just open it like shape. Okay, write the solid figure that can be made from each net.
Teacher, the meeting will end in less than 1 minute.
I know.
No, it will end in 2 minutes.
6 minutes.
This one, the first
No,
one.
on
Wait. The first one